Hello my dear students, welcome to CMI's online classes. In today's class for the students of Standard 7, we will continue with chapter 7 of our English grammar, that is the present tenses. In our previous two videos on the same chapter, we understood the simple present tense and present continuous tense. So in today's video we will continue to understand the present tenses, as I have already told you in our first video on the same chapter, that we are going to understand all present tenses in this chapter. That means simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense in this chapter. So now in today's video, in this class, we are going to understand present perfect tense. So in this video, we are going to understand present perfect tense and its uses. So what kind of actions are expressed in present perfect tense? So present perfect tense, we understand here perfect tenses. So if we speak about perfect tenses, perfect stands for complete actions. Okay, so present perfect tense means those actions which are completed at the present time, at the time of speaking. So these kinds of actions are expressed in present perfect tense. So if we speak about present perfect tense, the structure of the sentence will be subject is already there plus to have verbs plus B3 plus object. And the most important structure to understand here in perfect tenses is the combination of the jointly use of to have verbs plus B3. To have verbs means it may be have, has or had plus B3 make perfect tenses. So if we are talking about present perfect tense, we use has or had. That means subject plus has or had plus has or have, not had, has or have plus B3 plus object. Had is used for past perfect tense, used in past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus B3 is past perfect tense. So in present perfect tense we use subject plus has or have. Has is used if the subject is singular, and have is used if the subject is plural, and plus B3 plus object. So this is the main structure to understand the structure of sentences in present perfect tense. So now we have to understand what are the uses of present perfect tense. What kinds of actions are expressed in present perfect tense? See, we use present perfect tense to talk about. So क्या चीज के बारे में बोलते समय हम present perfect tense का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, यूज करेंगे? Okay. See, number one, the first point to understand is recently completed actions, the results of which are visible in the present time. So ऐसा काम which are completed at the present time, okay, just before the time we speak. So ऐसा काम जो बोलते समय उससे ठीक पहले, कुछ समय पहले फिनिश्ड हुआ हो, कंप्लीट हुआ हो. ओके, ऐसे काम को हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस के द्वारा एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. ओके, रिसेंटली मीन्स the actions which has taken place just now, just a time before the action of speaking. Understood? He has shaved off his beard. So at the present time, at the time of speaking, he has already shaved his beard. That means he has completed shaving his beard. Understood? Suparna has written the letter. So the action of writing is not left. she has already finished writing the letter at the present time just before the time of speaking. So सुपर्णा का लिखने का काम खत्म हो चुका है, बाकी नहीं है. सो अभी जिस समय हम बोल रहे हैं उससे कुछ समय पहले उसका काम फिनिश हुआ है. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्शंस आर आल्सो action is also expressed with present perfect tense. Understood? Now another use of present perfect tense is personal experiences or changes. For example, कोई भी हमारा personal experiences may be the educational qualification or any kind of experiences or any kind of changes. When we have to express in present perfect tense. Like Supriya has done her post-graduation in oceanography. Oceanography means one who studies about oceans. Okay. So whenever you speak about your educational qualification, you will always speak or write about an educational qualification in present perfect tense. Like I have completed my masters. I have completed my graduation. Okay, I have completed my B.Ed, M.Ed. She has completed. Okay, we have completed, like we have done, like this. Okay, here also if you come to the first point, subject plus to have verb. Here has is used before subject because subject is singular and saved is B3. Okay, see here also has is used. Has is used with singular subject because Suparna is singular, and has written is B3 form of the verb write. Okay, now here also done is the B3 form of the verb do. Okay, and has is here to have verb plus to have verbs. Now here also Farida has. Farida is singular, so has. Okay, done is B3 of do. Understood? Now just see the third point about the use of present perfect tense. Past action that are not over at the time of speaking. So past actions, the actions which have been taking place from the past time. ऐसा काम जो पहले से ही शुरू हो रहा हो और at the time of speaking बोलते समय वो काम कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ हो. ओके, एंड फॉर विच द टाइम ऑफ एक्शन इज नॉट मेंशन. और ऐसा काम जो पहले से हो रहा हो लेकिन कब हो रहा हो और उस समय का कोई बयान नहीं हो. ओके, सो इन दिस काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस वी यूज or we write these kind of sentences in present perfect tense. So in these sentences we use time expression like today, this morning, evening, afternoon, week, month. So exact time of action is not given. Okay, the action has been taking place from the beginning. Okay, past time से काम हो रहा है. Okay, and एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग बोलते समय उस काम के बारे में बताते समय वो काम फिनिश नहीं हुआ हो, लेकिन वो काम कब से शुरू हुआ हो या कब हुआ हो उसका कोई एग्जैक्ट टाइम नहीं बताया गया हो, लेकिन टाइम के समय को बताने के लिए या तो टुडे, दिस मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग, आफ्टरनून, वीक, मंथ, ईयर. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस, to give the sense of time, but not the exact declaration of time. Okay, like Suhita has watched 6 films this week. सुहिता ने इस हफ्ते 6 फिल्म देखे. Okay, so that means she has been watching movies from the past. She might watch another one as week is not yet over. So अभी ये हफ्ता फिनिश नहीं हुआ है तो हो सकता है वो और फिल्में देखेंगे, 7th फिल्म देखेंगे, 8th फिल्म देखेंगे. ओके, सो एट द टाइम ऑफ शी हैज स्टार्टेड हर एक्शन ऑफ वॉचिंग मूवीज सिंस पास्ट, बट स्टिल एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग शी हैज नॉट completed her action of watching. she may watch more films. Okay. Aruna has finished revising his syllabus this month. Okay. So this month she has started her action of revising syllabus since the beginning of this month. Okay. And Arun, he might study some more as the month is not yet over. So महीना अभी अंत नहीं हुआ है, तो हो सकता है वो और ज़्यादा पढ़ेंगे. Okay. So now the fourth point to understand about the use of present perfect tense. Okay. Actions that began in the past and have continued into the present. So वो एक्शन वो जो पास्ट में शुरू हुआ हो, ओके, एंड हैव कंटिन्यूड, और बोलते समय भी क्या हुआ हो, कंटिन्यू हुआ हो, ओके, इनटू द प्रेजेंट. सो बोलते समय भी जो काम कंटिन्यू हो रहा हो, विथ स्टेट वर्ब्स लाइक बी, हैव, लाइक, नो, लव, एटसेट्रा. So what are state verbs? State verbs are those verbs which do not give us the sense of continued actions, which do not have the sense, which do not show the continuous form. Okay, ऐसा verb जो लिखते समय हमें ऐसे दिखाई दे कि वो हमें कोई कंटिन्यूअस एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर रहा हो, लेकिन इट गिव्स अस द सेंस ऑफ कंटिन्यूड एक्शन, लेकिन वो हमें जानकारी देगा जो काम कंटिन्यू हो रहा हो, लेकिन देखने में नहीं लगेगा कि वो एक्शन कंटिन्यू हो रहा हो, लेकिन इट गिव्स अस द सेंस. ओके, लाइक नागार्जुना हैज बीन अ गुड friend since 2012. Okay, like we often use for and since in this case. So whenever we use state verbs here to write sentences in present perfect tense, so state verbs are followed by for or since in case of expressing actions that began in the past and have continued in the present. Okay, वो काम जो बीता हुआ समय में शुरू हुआ हो और प्रेजेंट टाइम में भी कंटिन्यूड हो रहा हो, जिसे हम स्टेट वर्ब्स के साथ एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. कैसा स्टेट वर्ब? लाइक बी, हैव, लाइक, नो, लव, लाइक दिस. These are the state verbs that are used to express the sentences in present perfect tense, to express the action that began in the past and have been continued at the present also. Okay, that means Nagarjuna has been a good friend since 2012. So 2012. So Nagarjuna has started being my friend from the beginning. ये काम शुरू से ही स्टार्ट हुआ है, और at the present time also he is my good friend. Okay, so since 2012, that means the action has started from 2012. 2012 से काम शुरू हुआ है और प्रेजेंट टाइम में भी क्या हुआ है, वो कंटिन्यूड है. ओके, सी हियर, हैज इज, आई हैव टोल्ड यू द ग्रुप ऑफ हैव वर्ब. बीन इज द B3 form of the verb be. Okay, so I told you that subject plus to have verb plus B3. So this also has the same structure of perfect tense, present perfect tense. So this kind of actions are also expressed with the use of present perfect tense. Okay, Suraina has adored these shell comes since the time she first saw them. So that means the action took place earlier, but still she adores. Adores means likes. So उसने पसंद किया. पसंद करने का काम पहले ही बताया है कि उसने पसंद किया है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उसका पसंद करने का काम फिनिश हुआ है, तो अभी भी वो पसंद करती है. ओके, सो दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्शंस आर एक्सप्रेस्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. Understood? So still if you have any confusion regarding the uses of present perfect tense, kindly raise your doubts in the class period. Okay, I hope you have understood my explanation, and for now uh, I would like to end this class. I would like to announce that this class is over, but if still you have any kind of doubts, confusion regarding the explanation of the points here about the uses of present perfect tense, kindly keep your points or keep your doubts in the class period. Okay students, thank you so much for being the part of today's class. Thank you so much for attending this class. Thank you so much students.